My back porch. I love my back porch. It's my relaxing area. I love it so much. The front porch is okay, but it's not like the back porch. I will show you a video of the front porch, but I want to show you the back porch. I love my backyard, my back porch, my backyard. I love the way things are coming along. It's coming to summer, and mostly everything is not completely bloom like. These white flowers haven't bloomed yet, these white roses, and this little scrappy plant haven't got tall yet. But my little flowers right here, my little, I call them tulips. They might be something else, but they're coming on pretty good. I love my backyard. I love it so much. The back porch is, like I said, is my relaxing area. I got these cannons in this pot here. They grow so tall, but it's not time to see all the glory of the beautiful blooms. I got this crepe myrtle. It haven't bloomed yet either. It's still not bloomed, but it's getting tall, but it's not bloomed yet. On my back porch, I love to have a barbecue grill out on the porch with the patio furniture. And I love my, look at that. Ain't they beautiful? They are beautiful. I love them. They come back every year, and they are so beautiful. I love them. And I got a new idea by using some ferns. The ferns, I didn't hardly like them. I tried something different. So I transplanted both of these. I had one big one, and I transferred both of them to three. I made three. One here, and I made one right here. Yes, so this is what I love. And look at my little ducks. I love the little swans. I love them. This is getting ready to bloom. But they're yellow when they bloom. This is my back porch. I love my back porch. I just got through planting some more flowers, and I just love to see them grow. I got a table of flowers, and this is so beautiful in the summertime. It's haven't matured yet because it's still early. My back porch. I love my back porch. My back porch. Look at this here, y'all. This is so beautiful. I love that. Beautiful. My backyard. Look at my backyard. It's filled with a lot of trees. It's time for me to get the garden and come and mow my yard. This is my back porch, and I love it.